Hi everybody, welcome to HSA 1102, Introduction to Healthcare. I realize that for some of you this may be your first class, for others you have attended other classes before. My name is Professor Rich Nixon and I have been teaching here at Kaiser since 2013. I have a background in medical logistics. I earned my degree in Health Services Administration as well as an MBA in logistics. So I teach both Health Services Administration and the business program. The one thing I would suggest that you do once you log in, and you'll see this, you have already got into the classroom by clicking on this right here. And then you've gone to meet your instructor, otherwise you would not be seeing this video. So I suggest starting there and then go to Start Here. Getting Started, sorry. Click on Getting Started, where you will see information about the course, about completing what textbook you need, the certification, explaining that you will be doing your own work, your pre-test, and then your introduction to get you started. I want to emphasize how important communication is in these courses. It's a very fast-paced environment, so you want to make sure that you are keeping up with the classwork. If you're having any difficulties understanding the coursework, understanding the lecture, anything at all, please contact me via email or give me a call. My contact information is contained under Meet Your Instructor as well as the syllabus. I would also advise you to look at the syllabus. Then from there, I want to talk about late policy. If you are having difficulties, again, it goes back to your communication with me. If you contact me and let me know you're having difficulties or there's something that happens, I understand life does happen. I can work with you, but I have to hear from you before the due date. Waiting to the due date until the due date and then telling me you can't submit is not going to work. And for every day that it is submitted late, I will deduct 5 points for whatever assignment it is. So if you're having difficulties, please contact me. We can work something out and go from there. My feedback when I grade the assignments will be an audio video feedback, so you can see my face, you can hear me talk. I might also provide some written feedback because I only have 5 minutes to talk. And sometimes I need to provide more feedback than that, so I will also give written feedback, and I will put that in my comments to you when I grade. And then this course also has an extra credit component to it. If you attend the Kaiser live session on Tuesdays, it'll be every Tuesday at 7 p.m. And if you attend that session and participate, if I ask a question, I want feedback. If you're just sitting there not participating, I'm assuming you're not even listening to the class. So therefore, you will not get extra credit. You have to participate. Those of you who cannot attend the Kaiser Live, you can do a 250-word summary on what it was that I spoke about in the lecture, and you have to provide specific examples of what I talked about during the lecture so that you can earn the extra credit. Other than that, I would like to welcome you to Kaiser University, if this is your first class, and to Introduction to Healthcare for all of you. This will be a broad overscope of what healthcare is and what to expect once you get into the healthcare setting. Again, some of you may already be familiar with this, so it might be a review. Others, this will be completely new. And those of you who have worked in or are working in healthcare, please feel free to share in the discussions your experience so that others can learn from that. All right, let's have a great term and keep the communication lines open between you and I. Have a good day.